Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Sign into your Xbox and press the Xbox button to open the guide. Once done, go to Profile and System, then Settings, and choose General. Make sure to enter personalization so you can change themes and backgrounds. This is where the system stores color schemes and accent images. You need only a few seconds here, and choosing personalization first saves time because it reveals theme options and related controls without extra navigation steps. Now choose themes and pick a base: default, light, dark, or a custom option. Once you select a base, move to backgrounds and choose from dynamic images, captured screenshots, or a USB/uploaded image. This changes the look behind your dashboard. Then customize accent color, transparency, and tile appearance so icons remain readable. Adjusting contrast matters for visibility. Make changes slowly and preview before applying, because the system shows real-time updates, and you can revert if something clashes with text legibility. Finish by applying the theme and confirming the changes. You should see the new look immediately. If it doesn't appear, sign out and back in or restart the console to force a refresh. If a custom image won't load, make sure it's JPG or PNG and under the size limit. Convert or resize and try again. As a troubleshooting tip, if themes refuse to stick, power down fully and hold the power button for 10 seconds to clear temporary cache, then reapply the theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.